Hi, this is Vigneshwar, URK19CS1052. In this video, we're going to see about router and switch configuration. And here is a device, and I connect all. So this is PC1 and PC2, PC3, and PC4. I give IP address for all devices. So now I'm going to switch. In switch, I want to go to CLI. Then CLI, I want to here enable and config terminal table, and here I give host name as Vignesh, and here I enable the password as Vignesh. Sorry, enable the host name and enable the password as Vignesh, and here enable secret as password, and here I exit. So here I want to run. So here you see all that one. We enter the passwords. Here you see, and here you going to exit, and here you see a password, whether it's work or not, and it's working. So now we're going to move to console the switch to PC. Sorry, console the switch to RS. Now here I'm going to PC. In PC I'm going to desktop and terminal, and in terminal you have to give OK. You move on to desktop. So in desktop you give enter. Yes, you give enter. So here I enable and give a password. Now I'm to config terminal, and in that one I want to console a line. So line console row, and I want to give password, and password console, and I want to log in that password. So login, and here I exit, and so here I running the all consoles. So here I enter that one. So here access is verified, so I give the password. So the password is activated. So here I give enable and give that password. So this is that one. So here I want to copy this all passwords, so I give one command. So config, in that command you will copy that all one. So copy, run yes it was. So here I give another command called conflicting service password and service password as encryption. So here I running a config, and so here you see the password login, and here we exit this and move on to router config. So this is the router table. So I give hostname as Vignesh and enable the password as Vignesh. Okay, enable password Vigneshwar, and we have to console the line. So line console and password for the line, and you have to log in the password. So exit, and here you see all the passwords, and that's all. And here I give one more command. I want to see how many devices connect. So sorry, I give wrong command. And there to set one password. So password and login and exit, and I run this one, and here you see the host name and the password. So password as Vignesh VTY, and again I want to add one more command. So service password, so service password description, and exit. So here you see the service password inscription, and this is that video. Thank you for watching this video.